Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is, of course, today a update that is the weekly security updates for Google Chrome. It actually was released late yesterday, Monday, so it was quicker than usual, and it's rolling out today, March 11th, 2025. So if you go into your Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go into Help. And about Google Chrome, you will be pushed to version 134.0. That's 6998.88 or 89, depending on the version of the operating system you have, Linux, Mac, or Windows. So what does this fix? Well, it fixes 5 security flaws. 3 of them are high severity and 2 are moderate severity. At least 3 of the 5 have to do with a V8, which is the scripting engine, which is attacked and always checked out because, it can execute command. It's the best way to get in and do your job and what you want to do with malware and open up privileges for admin. And there's another one in GPU and so on. So, of course, it is important to update your Chrome browser. It usually does it automatically. A lot of people ask me all the time, well, it isn't supposed to do automatically. Yeah, it is. But, there's no harm in checking to make sure that it is up to date. Usually it could take, like Google says, it could take up to a week for some people to get the updates. It depends on how frequent you use your PC, your devices, and Chrome itself. And that also means that if you have a Chromium-based browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, you will need to check out this week to make sure you get the updates also. For security, this is your first line of defense. Remember that antivirus don't really do anything against problems with security flaws where, malware can be injected or things can be done through a security hole. So do not rely on antivirus. Rely on making sure your operating systems and the software you use are up to date. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.